guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes. Look what I've got for sale for you. It is a Suzuki GSXR750. It's an L4, 2014 on a 14 plate. Really nice is this. Finished off in the black and red with the little carbon styling on this. It's fabulous. Biggest things when I get to it. It's done 5,397 miles. Got some anodized bar ends there. It's got the Yoshimura.
They're Yoshi as well.
They're Yoshi. Apologies, they're Yoshi as well. All anodized Yoshi parts on there, and including the Yoshimura R11 exhaust. Really nice, stunning bike throughout. You've already heard it. You know what it sounds like. It's fabulous. 750s. It's just, I don't know, it's like the best bit. You've got the lightness of a 600, and you've got a chunk of power. So fabulous. Anyway, guys, you've seen the bike, you've seen me. Pop down at Jordanbikes. Simply give us a call. Cheers.